Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on November the 1st, 2019. Merger of Fiat Chrysler and PSA Group creates a $48 billion giant. Fiat Chrysler and the owner of Peugeot have signed off on a $48 billion merger, forging the world's fourth-largest automaker in the race to advance green technologies and pivot toward an autonomous future. The PSA Group-Fiat Chrysler combination announced Thursday comes as auto sales have cooled worldwide. But carmakers are also under growing pressure to meet strict new emissions targets in Europe, China and other markets, as well as help usher self-driving cars into the mainstream. Such innovations come with huge outlays for research and development, prompting traditional automakers to pursue corporate partnership and acquisitions to help spread those costs. U.S. stocks fall on new trade worries. October became one of the most troubling months for investors. All three major U.S. stocks indexes slid on Thursday, the last day of the month. The declines derelied a week of record-breaking gains powered by unexpectedly strong earnings and yet another interest rate cut, courteously for the Federal Reserve. A key measure of factory activity in the Midwest, known as Chicago Purchasing Management Index, released on Thursday, hit its lowest level in 4 years, showing a strain on manufacturing. The Commerce Department announced Wednesday that the economy grew at 1.9% annualized pace this quarter, far short of the 3% the White House promised would arise from the 2017 tax cut. U.S. withholding $105 million in security aid for Lebanon. U.S. President Donald Trump's administration is withholding $105 million in security aid for Lebanon, two U.S. officials said on Thursday, 2 days after the resignation of Lebanese Prime Minister Saad al-Hariri. The State Department told Congress on Thursday that the White House Budget Office and National Security Council had decided to withhold the foreign military assistance, the two officials said, speaking of condition of anonymity. Oil prices edge up. Oil prices edged up on Friday after a difficult week, but were still headed for losses of about 4%, hit by a combination of rising global supply and uncertain future demand. Brent crude was up 5 cents at $59.67 a barrel, leaving it on track for a drop of nearly 4%. U.S. crude rose for the first time in 4 days, gaining 18 cents to $54.36 a barrel. The contract was set for a weekly loss of more than 4%. Worries over global economic growth, along with oil demand, continue to haunt the market as leaders from the United States and China struggle to end a 16-month dispute that has roiled trade between the world's top two economies.